Okay guys, I just want to show you a really quick how to create an account on TD Ameritrade and Webull. So if you go to tdameritrade.com and you go over here to open a new account, and then from there you can pick exactly what type of account you would like to create. If you're going to do stocks and mutual funds, ETFs and things like that, then you'd want to go to individual. Now if you have some questions, you can click on here and they'll give you more information, but if you want to do stocks, then you can click on individual, open an individual account, and then from here, if you have a current account with TD Ameritrade, you can actually use your same account information. That way you don't have to have multiple passwords or usernames. And if you don't, then you'll have to create an account as similar to kind of creating a bank account. You're going to have to do contact information, personal information, financial information, review everything, hit the agreements, set your user ID and password, and then you should be all set from there, and you'll be able to go ahead and deposit money into your account once you link your bank account to it. And Webull is going to be basically the same thing when you go to webull.com, and if you want to get some free stocks, the link in the description below will secure that you can get some free stocks if you deposit $100. But if you click on sign up, it's going to be basically the same process, and it'll probably take a couple of days before everything clears. You'll have to have a copy of your driver's license and things like that. Like I said, it's going to be similar to creating a bank account, but it's super easy to get started. So that's pretty much it for this video, and let me know if you have any questions below. Again, note this is not financial advice. This is just for entertainment purposes, and hope this video helped. And as you heard in the background, the market has just opened. So go ahead and make your account and get started.